In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your profile on Gumroad. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand storefront that helps customers instantly understand who you are and what you offer. Start by logging into your Gumroad account. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're signed into the correct account you use to sell products. Once you are in, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. You'll see settings, typically indicated with a small gear icon. Click that to open the area where all your account and storefront preferences live. Inside settings, select profile. This is the hub for everything customers will see about you at a glance. Take a moment to look over the section so you know what you can tweak before you make changes. Begin with your basic information. Upload a clear profile image that represents your brand. This could be a professional headshot or a simple recognizable logo. Aim for a high resolution square image so it displays crisply across devices. Add your display name exactly as you want customers to see it. Then write a short, informative bio. Keep it friendly and specific. Explain what you create, who it's for, and what makes it valuable. If there's a tagline or a concise value statement you use elsewhere, consider including it for consistency. If there's a spot for a cover image or banner, choose something on brand. Clean visuals and ample white space tend to look professional. Next, add your links. This is where you point people to your website, newsletter, or social profiles that support your business. Paste full, working URLs and label them clearly so customers know where they'll land. Keep the list focused and relevant. A few strong links are better than a long list that distracts from your store. Now customize your store URL. This is the address people will use to find your Gumroad page, so make it memorable and aligned with your brand. Short, simple and easy to spell is best. If your first choice is already taken, try a close variation. Avoid special characters and keep everything consistent with how you present your brand elsewhere. When you're happy with your updates, click save to apply the changes. Give it a moment to process. Your profile will reflect your new details and visitors will see the updated information immediately. If something doesn't look right, you can return to the profile section, adjust the fields and save again. That's it. You've customized your Gumroad profile with clear visuals, focused messaging, and a clean URL, setting the stage for a trustworthy, conversion-ready storefront.